No, I don't have a frame, man. They fucked up in the uh, card distribution process. I want Impulse, man. I have like 35 neutral legendaries. I'm only missing the class ones. I have 4 Echo Phones. Acidio, from your perspective, what would be a fair price for core legendary? How much you would pay to Echo Phone? We I got no idea. Yeah, I wrote some of it, but it was TLDR for me. He even gave me a shout out about it. Ah, yeah, yeah, I saw it, man. I check Steam it every day, you know it. Same. It's like one of those tryhard posts you would do when you first enter the Steam, then turn into one-liner shit posts. But it will take time, at least 1 or 2 years. No, no, no. Yeah, it's no immutable. I mean, the current market speculators, I'm calling it speculators right now because what the fuck? Okay, it's fine. I'm calling it speculators right now because only few people are carrying the core market right now. But I don't know how much actual players or actual demigod players would want to pay for the core legendary. I mean, so it's a little confusing for me. I don't think it will be like super high. We can try, but still. 6-1. Pink hunt clear. Okay, we got a full clear. Yeah, I love Hector too. I want it so bad. Oh my god, we are only 4 mana? Man, what a misplay. It's only because of Acidio. I thought we were 5 mana. And rip. We misplayed it so hard. Like next level misplay. We can still do the hunt clear. I hope he gets Pyramid Blight Pump. That's a little greedy. Now you got the Pyramid Warden. So, think we need to use the Rhino, right? Is he going for clear or not? To be honest, only art I love right now is the Dire Demolish. It looks sick. Looks really sick. The cheapest one sold so far is like 4.8. I should have bought that. Demonic Offering? Come on, man. Give me a break. Please, please, some luck. I need some luck right now. Okay, it's Pyramid Warden. And it's not that bad actually. The Rolling Watcher is one of the most traded cards in the market. Come on, are you going to clear or not? Okay. I don't know why he didn't go for the clear. Now we have a sweet taunt. No, no, no. Oh my god. Sorry, man. We forgot to pass our turn. Whoa. Um, think I need to go for this. Uh, I don't want to clear that to be honest, but fuck this RNG mechanics. Leaving in turn 2. Let's play the Suchela. We will take 2 damage, but do we actually care? I don't think so. Let's push him faster. He have 1 card, right? I can't see it. The webcam is like on his cards. He needs 2 Dark Rituals or Dark Ritual, Brimstone, Hero Power to kill us. Dangerous Ritual. We might be just dead here. He went for the fishing. Okay. 1 Brimstone, Bombfly, anything will do at this point. Okay. Is he just BMing me to play the Brimstone? No. But creatures are actually confused. He could have still win. The confusing creatures are like super weird. Oh my god. Yay, someone bought our dimension door.